My English presentation. Hello, my name is Giancarlos Gallego Moreno. I am 18 years old. Currently study telecommunication engineer at Uncompensar. I also work as an administrator at local company in Villavicencio. Uh, a presentation. Today I want to talk to you about an app uh, that can change that way we organize your lives. Team Bui. My people is true to manage their time effi- effi- efficient. Uh, they have too many tasks, meetings or classes, and and don't con 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 where to start. Solution a key of factors. Timbury is an app that learns from your habits and helps organize your day uh, out, out, automatically. Uh, it has very useful uh, parts such as smart time margin, calendar integration, focus mode to block the distraction, distractions, voice reminders. Closing. Thank you for attention. I'm very excited about this project.